Hello and welcome. My name is Jaffer Apton, and in this tutorial, I'll show how to import OSM data into 3ds Max using maproom. I will also show how to edit and prepare your OSM data in OpenStreetMap.com. The first thing you have to do is obviously have a location and a site where you want the data. From. In this case, I've chosen Wald in Switzerland. The second step is to go to OpenStreetMap.org and make an account and go to the location, search the location up, and then go to edit. When you go to edit, you'll be able to edit, add new buildings by using the line or area tool. You also can draw the roads and etc. So how it works is you select the area tool, for example. You start drawing over a building that is not already drawn. And then you select it and say, all right, it's a house, it's a park, it's a road. All right, in this case, let's say it's a house. And then we add the information, for example, levels, height, address, name. And then we hit save. Make sure to save, otherwise all your information would be deleted if you exit the page. But since we don't know I don't have any information on this site, I'm just going to delete this. And then the next step is to install maproom. Maproom can be the installation guide can be you can have it from here. So this is the developer's website. So it's the best source to refer to get help of how to install it if there's any difficulties. I simply searched how to install maproom, and all of these tutorials and guides came. And the top link was the best because it's from the developer themselves. All right, so now let's go to 3ds Max and open maproom. Maproom, after installation, you have to go to customize and you have to insert the maproom tool, and then double click and then just wait for it until it opens, and then you'll be able to do it has different tools that you can use. So in this case, we're just going to use the OpenStreetMap and satellites. And once you click on that, under Maps and Scene, you have disappear. Click on it. And then you have to choose a location. Either you can put the numbers or you can find the location. In this case, we know what the location, our location is. So it was, Wald. Yeah, I'm going to copy paste this. And then, okay. All right, and then you have to click on update scene. So that's the address there now. We go to terrain and we select a size for how big we want the map to be. So we're going to make it 50 by 50. We're going to say the resolution is there 640 for now. And then we're going to choose the map to be OSM. And we change the zoom to about 8:7. And we'll just wait for it to finish. And that's the result. So now we have a map there. So the higher the resolution, the better the quality. So if we change this to 12 and update the map again, the good thing is it will update the map. It will not make a new layer. So you can basically, you won't have so many different layers. So we can zoom in, and that's that. So this is too big for the area that we have selected. So we're just going to change this to 10 and update. Okay, so the next step is to import the OSM data. So basically, it's in Grasshopper. If you are familiar with it, you will need to go to OSM and download it. But in 3ds Max using maproom, you basically just use maproom to update the information instead of downloading every time you want to make a change to it. And you can select the area. You don't have to go back and forth to OpenStreetMap to download a new file. So if we click on the OSM layer here, all right, so it tells us how much of the OSM data we want to bring into 3ds Max. So here we selected 10, but we don't want the whole thing. For example, we want 4 by 4 kilometers, and then we select what types of items we want to bring in from 3ds Max. For example, here we just say buildings and highways and waterways, to say, and we just hit download and draw, and then we just wait for the progress bar to complete, and the information would be extracted. Okay, so now we have the information extracted from OpenStreetMap, but as you can see, it's just line work right now at the moment. There is no 3D masses to it. So what we have to do for that is turn the layer back on. What we have to do is under style sheet, we just change that to OSM, and then we hit apply, and then you will need to wait for the progress bar again. It's downloading the information from OSM. So now we have all the masses imported, and we can see that it's not the whole entire map area, it's just the 4 by 4 kilometers that we selected here. The more area we put, the more data will be extracted. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.